Hi, I'm Mary from the Halton Hills Public Library, and today I'd like to show you how I made a floppy-eared bunny out of paper. I have a template of a floppy-eared bunny, and you can pick up one of these templates at the Halton Hills Public Library during the spring break this year. Come on into the library, pick up one of our grab-and-go kits, and you'll be able to get the template. Let's see how I made a floppy-eared bunny from a piece of paper. So, as I said, you'll need a template. This is what our template looks like. And I've already done some coloring on mine. I used some pencil crayons to color this one. I didn't color everything, but I colored parts of it. And now I need to cut out everywhere I see a straight line. So I'm going to cut out each one of these shapes, and then we'll put them together. Okay, so now I've cut out almost everything except for this little rectangle near the top that has the word glue on it and it says for nose. Now that's an important one. I'm going to cut that one out right now. This is what's going to help our bunny's little nose to sort of pop out a little bit, be a little bit three-dimensional. It's kind of a fun little addition to just giving him a bit more character. So there's that extra piece. Now I've cut out everything. Now I need to figure out how to put my bunny together so I can make him have floppy ears. So I'm going to start with this piece that's shaped a little bit like a castle with bunny eyes and a tummy on it. And it's got a bunch of dotted lines. Everywhere that I see a dotted line, I am going to fold that on that dotted line. And I'm folding it so that you can still see the dots. Folding it against the dotted line. So I'm going to fold that one. Number 2 is over here on this side. Then there's a third one right beside it. Fold that one as well. And then the last one on this part actually has a word beside the dotted line. It says glue. So I'm going to fold that one where it says glue. And interestingly, now that I have folded all 4 of those folds, it kind of wants to go together, sort of like a box with the top and the bottom open. So I'm going to put some glue right where it says to put glue. And close that, tuck that flap inside, and I'm just going to hold it for a sec, squeeze it to make sure that it settles. And now I have made a bunny body. He kind of looks like he has ears, but those really aren't the most exciting bunny ears. I think I'm going to enjoy these ones better for my bunny. But before I put the ears on, I'm going to take care of the fact that he doesn't have a nose. Instead, he has a rectangle that says glue. Well, remember we cut out this other rectangle that says glue? I'm going to take that rectangle, wrap it around my finger, and turn it into a ring or a loop. And where it says glue, I'm going to put some glue on it. And I'm going to just wrap it closed like that. So that now I have a little ring. That ring is going to go where on the bunny's face where it says glue. So I'm going to put glue on there. Oops. Put a little bit of glue on there. And stick that ring right on there, just like that. Need to hold it just for a sec. And while I'm holding it with this end, I'm going to find his little nose with his cute little buck teeth. And now, oh, it's not sticking yet. Go ahead and stick. Sometimes you just have to be patient. All right, I'm going to put some glue on the back of his nose. And then I'm going to stick his nose on top of that ring. Just putting my finger inside of his body right now so I can push against the nose. And one finger inside the ring to keep the ring on there. And now take a look at how that nose actually sticks out a bit from the body. It has a bit of a 3D ability to it now. A very cute bunny nose. Now, this bunny needs his actual ears. So I'm going to pick up an ear, and this ear has a dotted line. Remember I said we fold everywhere there's a dotted line, so I'm going to fold on that dotted line. And again, there's a word that says glue. Put some glue on there. And I'm going to stick that to the side of this strip at the top of his head that said, or that wasn't an ear. And actually, I remembered this one has a dotted line, so I better fold that dotted line. All right, and then glue the ear in. This side, I'm going to fold this dotted line as well. Just fold it in a bit and then I can pull it back out. And now I'll get the other ear. Fold on the dotted line, put on some glue, and stick that ear onto the top of his head, just like that. Now, his ears are a little bit floppy, but they're not as floppy as I would like them. And he's missing something else. He needs his feet. So I'm going to add his feet. To do that, I need to fold on the dotted line. There's one foot. And now I'm going to put this foot through the body and up to the inside of the ear. Can you see what I'm doing there? And I'm going to put glue inside here so that the top of that strip that's attached to his foot is going to glue to the inside of the side of his ear. So I'm not gluing it to the ear, I'm gluing it to the side. Make sure, whoops, there we go. That was kind of clumsy. All right, so there's the foot dangling out the bottom. This whole stick is loose all the way inside the body, and it's just glued inside the ear. So actually I have 3 pieces of paper there. I have the side of the box, the folded side of the ear, and then the top of that strip that's connected to his foot. And now I'm going to do the same thing with the other foot. Fold it on the dotted line, slide this up through the body. I'm going to put some glue on the inside of where that ear is attached and glue that strip to the back of the ear. Whoops, I glued it the wrong way. I'd like his foot to show. There we go. All right, so now my bunny has a nose that pops up. He's got 2 ears and he's got 2 bunny feet. And now if I take his bunny feet and I let him hop, hoppity hop, hoppity hop, 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 hop. Now his ears are very floppy. There they go. Maybe you can make a floppy-eared bunny like this one, or like this one, or like this one. I hope you do, and I hope you have fun. Floppy-Eared Bunny. There he is.